Okay, so my name is Amparo Jimenez Quero. I'm a researcher at the KTH University, the largest technical university in Scandinavia. We are based in Stockholm, Sweden. And my role in Sister is working in the technical work package number 3, and we work actively in the production and design of novel coatings that we made out of food loss, meaning from the food loss from primary producer, we develop extraction process in order to get valuable molecules like antioxidant, antimicrobial, or other molecules that have material properties that later we will integrate into the packaging in order to preserve better the shelf life of the food.
So my name is Dr. Pat Doody. I'm the work package leader for work package 2 in the Sisters project. The organisation is the Munster Technological University. The research group is Imar, and we're responsible for the sensor development in Sisters, and our background is in mathematics, data, robotics, and yes, so we'd be the technology lead, I guess, in the area of IT in the Sisters project.
I'm Isabele. I'm working in Fondazione Admonmac and in Italy. I'm a sensory and consumer science scientist. In Sister, my role is to lead work package 5, which is concentrated on the consumer tech stage. And we want to study the consumer perception towards bio-based packaging.
Okay, so I'm Amelia. I'm from Naturplast, a French company specialized in bioplastics. We are working for the Sister project. We are involved in the work package 3. Our main goal is to help develop the formulation around the material for the packaging, and we will be doing the scale-up of the compounding.
Diana Cimarussi from Safe Food Advocacy Europe. We try to protect European consumers during the EU food legislation process. We are based in Brussels. We are partnering in this beautiful project, Sisters, and we try to bring Sister project closer and closer to European institutions, and we create a lot of synergy with many other European projects in the same area, which have been already approved by the European Commission.
Hi, I'm Laurent Capla from EM Services, and we are partner of the Sister project. We are the leading partner for Work Package 1, and we will develop a short-chain solution to help producers sell their surplus and discarded products to local clients and customers all across Europe.
I am Abelardo Hernandez. I work for Pressport, and we are in this Sister project to improve the logistic chain for our produce. We are doing some trials about the smart container that they will avoid the food waste, and we are also trying new biomaterial for our packaging.